Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to teach you how you can you can fix your Xfinity router. So these are the steps. First, you gotta restart the router. You're just gonna unplug that bad boy. Wait for like 1 minute, then you're gonna plug it back in. Number two, check for outages. So you just go to their here, just go to their website here, and you're gonna check if there's any outages and stuff. And if there's an outage, just gotta wait for the area to fix it. Number three is wait for it to update, finish updating. Your router may flash orange if it's updating. It may take around 15 minutes for the update to start. Finish completely. If there's interruption or poor connection, can take longer. Yeah, and you're just gonna wait for it to update. Then after it updates, you might be able to use your Wi-Fi router again. You will have access to your Wi-Fi again. Number four, check the power supply. So your route power supply may not giving you enough full power for your router. So you're just gonna check that power supply, plug into different power outlet, or using AVR like wait, let's look up AVR. Use one of these bad boys. You know what I'm saying? That may fix your problem. Number five, make sure the router isn't overheating, especially if you live in really hot places, especially when it's summer. Like if you live in Arizona, oh yeah, that thing is cooking. And number six, check the router's capacity. You can just go to your IP address or your website that can access your internet, and you're just gonna check if how many devices are connected to your router. If there's a lot of things connected, it may cause problems for the router. Number seven, reset your router to factory settings. Do this as a last resort, since resetting will erase all your settings. Reset your router by turning it off, pressing the reset button for about 30 seconds using a small tool like a toothpick. All the LEDs will turn off. Your router will act like the day you got it, so you need to set up by limitations or configuration again. If you can't find a reset button, press the WPS button instead. And if all of that still doesn't work, you just gotta go to contact Xfinity themselves for support or questions about your router not working, and they may be able to help you with that. And that is our tutorial for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.